Hi guys, you are on All Around the World channel, and today we are going to explore new apartments in Portugal. Put like, subscribe to this channel, and let's go! As you already understood, these apartments are in very comfortable location, 10-15 minutes from the sea. If you need some supermarket to buy some food or something, it's right here. 2 steps and you're already there. Here you have all what you need for the comfortable rest. Big bed for 2 people, big wardrobe for all your belongings. Also the windows have blinds. If you prefer when you sleep in more darkness, you can close it. Near the bedroom you have big bathroom with 2 showers. You can choose wherever you like. If you like more small or massage shower, so you can choose and use it. Balcony where we are now, it's I don't know, maybe 3 meters and 1.5 meters, so it's not so big, but it has a table, 2 chairs and umbrella, so you can be safe from the sun. You can go outside the balcony and drink here coffee, or as I'm making yoga here, and it's enough place for me. I'm making yoga every morning here. Living room is also full of things you need. It has rest area with TV, with channels in different languages. It has Spanish, English, German and some other languages. Also it has table, dinner table with 2 chairs for 2 people, and kitchen connected with living room, and it also includes all of you need. It has stove and oven for cooking, microwave, refrigerator for collecting all your products, toaster, teapot and coffee machine with coffee in capsules. Refrigerator, when we came here, also had some products for us like water, like Pepsi. Also kitchen served with oil, with pepper, with salt. So these products which we will not buy if you are resting here only for a few days. It's very good to have it here. If to describe these apartments in few words, so I would to say it's really cozy, it's comfortable, and it has a very nice clean design in Scandi style. I really like Scandi style. It's all in white, and you know, you have a feeling that before you no one lived here. So it's really clean and looks like new. Also every room served with air condition. It's really nice when it's summer and hot weather. One thing I want to notice here in this video, this apartment has a very cute owner. We paid for this apartment 260 euros per 3 nights. It's a really good price for this location. We were chosen from several options and these apartments were the best. Also, when we arrived here, we paid tourist tax. It cost 2 euros per person for 1 day, and owner gave us a tourist voucher for all the museums in Carcaveluș area. So we can enter in each museum here for free. So guys, I hope you like this video, you like these apartments. If you want to see more videos like that, write comment what you are thinking about it, put like, subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next videos.